Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Just a reminder, this video reflects my personal experience using the platform. Today, we're taking a look at MoneyThing, a peer-to-peer lending platform found at MoneyThing.com. Peer-to-peer lending, often shortened to P2P, connects individuals who want to lend money with businesses that need to borrow it, cutting out the traditional financial institutions. MoneyThing facilitates these connections, providing a marketplace where borrowers can seek funding and lenders can earn interest on their investments. The platform prides itself on offering secured loans, meaning the loans are typically backed by tangible assets, like property, which can provide a degree of security for lenders in case a borrower defaults. This secured lending model aims to mitigate risk for investors. While MoneyThing can offer potentially attractive returns, it's crucial to remember that all investments carry inherent risks. The value of your investments can go down as well as up, and there's always the possibility of losing some or all of your invested capital. Therefore, it's essential to do your own thorough research and due diligence before committing any funds to the platform. Consider your own risk tolerance and financial circumstances, and perhaps consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Don't invest money you can't afford to lose. MoneyThing provides details on each loan opportunity, including the loan amount, interest rate, loan term, and the underlying security. Examining this information carefully is a vital step in making informed investment choices. Diversifying your investments across multiple loans can also be a good strategy to manage risk. By spreading your capital across a range of different loans, you can potentially lessen the impact of any single loan defaulting. Remember, past performance is not indicative of future results, and the P2P lending market can be volatile. Make sure you understand the platform's fee structure and the process for recovering funds in the event of a default.